Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be doing a cloth diaper unboxing, you guys. Now this is from a brand called Tushie that I came across on Facebook, and I decided on ordering a couple of diapers for my son, you guys, little Noah. If you guys are brand new here, I have been cloth diapering for some time now. I do have a video, you guys. My previous video I do talk about my journey, what type of inserts I use and all this stuff. So yeah, so if you guys have checked that video out, I did show you guys what inserts I use for the daytime and for the nighttime, you guys. A lot has changed from that video to now, you guys, when it comes to my daytime and my nighttime. I have actually changed it up. So I'm going to be explaining to you guys the reason why. Alright, now yeah, you guys, my wig's actually on vacation, so this is my natural hair. Hello pregnancy hair, you guys. Yeah, those are the benefits when you're pregnant. Your hair freaking grows. So yeah guys, so anyways, enough chit chatting and let's get on to the video, because my child is staring right at me like I'm about to start crying, mom, so you need to hurry your ass up. So anyways guys, let's get on with the video. So first, the problem is this. Honestly, all the inserts have been working good, you guys. It's just that simply little Noah's getting bigger. He's about to be 4 months in December 6. So he's been peeing a lot, and he's staring right at me. He knows I'm talking about him. So he's just been peeing a lot, you guys. And honestly, the problem is honestly overnight. I do use charcoal bamboo, and I use a pre-fold. So I basically wrap the charcoal bamboo in pre-fold like a burrito, and bam, that's what I use for him, even though that makes his diaper look humongous. Yeah, so yeah guys, I have to change his diaper at night. I want to say like around like 2-3 times. With that, the ladies cycle goes like 2 times, you guys. All right, but each time, either if I change it twice, 3 times, every morning, you guys, he wakes up with leaks around, like around his legs. Sometimes it's around his stomach. I don't know if the freaking inserts are moving or anything like that, but yeah guys, so every morning it's constant. His clothes are drenched in pee. Now I want to find something that he's able to use the whole night, you guys, because he is sleeping a little bit more, but I have to constantly just keep on checking his diaper just to see that he's not leaking. So I was doing my research. I was gonna go with the option of buying different type of inserts, you guys, which I do own: charcoal bamboo, and microfiber, which is the cheapest thing there is, you guys. That does not work. So I was looking, I was like, you know what, should I just invest on really good inserts, or should I just try something different, you guys? Now yeah, so anyways, I did my research, and I am on this group called Cloth Diapering for Beginner, which honestly, you guys, I encourage you guys to join if you guys are gonna start your guys' own cloth diapering journey. If you have Facebook, join that group. That group has helped me so much, you guys, on everything, on choosing what diapers to use, the inserts and all this. Join that group, it's gonna help you. So show your mushroom, Papa. Look at, show off your little mushroom. So somebody actually mentioned a brand, a company called Tushie, you guys, that they had a heavy wetter 2.0. You know, that it actually lasts the whole night. So once I saw that, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna check it out. Now you guys, whenever I buy anything, I do a ton of research before I actually buy the thing, because I want to make sure. It could be anything, it could be skincare, anything, you guys. Oh my god, he's taking a shit. So like I was telling you guys, before I buy anything, I do a ton of research, you guys. A ton of research. So when I heard that this diaper, the so-called heavy wetter 2.0, which is crazy, actually could last the whole night, I was like, you know what, I need to try it out, you guys. Like, I need to get it. Now, I honestly, this company, you guys, does not have Instagram, which I was kind of surprised, because even small companies right now, you know, that are trying to build their company up, trying to get more people to purchase the stuff, usually have Instagram, but this company doesn't, you guys. It's a very small company. So I did check it out. I did speak to other moms about it that have tried this, and I've just heard nothing but good things, you guys. So I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna try it out. So I did. So I actually ordered from this company. I got him, I believe, around I want to say 7 or 8 diapers, you guys, all right? Now, these diapers were a little pricey. They were a lot pricier than what I'm used to paying, you guys. Now, I use all Alba Baby on little Noah, and each diaper could cost me from $4 to $6, which is under 10 bucks, you guys. But this heavy wetter actually cost $13 each, okay? So I think I bought, I want to say 7. Yeah, 7, all right? So yeah, guys, so let me tell you guys more about this diaper. Honestly, I have not tried it out, you guys, but I'm just sharing with you in case you guys do have a heavy wetter out there, in case you guys are trying to find something that's gonna help you guys' child overnight. So yeah, you guys have to try it out, like, for your guys' self. I cannot come on here and tell you guys, wow, this really works, when I haven't even tried it out myself. But I thought I'd share this information with you guys, because honestly, I'm already loving them. Like, I've seen them and I'm already loving them. But before I show you guys, I do want to share what this diaper claims to do. So basically, it has 11 total layers of charcoal bamboo, which right there, you guys, is a good one for me, because I use charcoal bamboo for him. I was using it overnight, and honestly, charcoal bamboo is one of my favorite inserts, you guys. One of my favorite freaking inserts. So yeah, so it has a total of 11 total layers of charcoal bamboo goodness. 6 layers sewn inside and 5 layers sewn on flap style. So this is an all-in-one, you guys. The absorbency of this diaper makes this great choice for overnights, long trips, or even day use for your heavy wetter. This is a ST custom print, so get them while they last, as there are limited quantities, you guys. So like I was telling you guys, this is supposed to help you guys with overnight. They claim that this diaper could actually last the whole night, which is what I'm excited for, you guys, all right? So I only bought him, I believe, like 7 diapers, and these were actually $13 each, all right? Now, you guys, you guys might say that that's a lot for a diaper, but honestly, you guys, you know, this is a small business, and especially right now during hard times, I feel like we need to be buying off of small little businesses, you guys, because those are the ones that are actually being affected more with the whole pandemic, all right? So this is the prints that I got. Now, honestly, the prints that I got were the only ones left, because the other ones were sold out, or some of them you have to pre-order, all right? So I was only able to catch these, you guys. So the first one I have is this one right here, which it says, you guys know the Second Amendment, which is the right to bear arms. This one says Second Amendment, and it says we the people. So a lot of you guys might not agree with me, or you guys might, but you know, yeah. So yeah, so this is how the diaper looks like, you guys. It has the squishy tushy right here, squishy tushy cloth diapers, as you guys could see. And when you open this, it's all charcoal bamboo, you guys, from the inside. All charcoal bamboo, which I love. And then it has another thick ass layer right here. So yeah, and the cool thing is that you could also, no, yeah, this is not a pocket one. You could also adjust this. It has the same thing as the other diapers that I have. You could also adjust it at whatever size your baby fits. So yeah, guys, so this is how it looks like. This is one of them. Now, I'm loving this already, you guys. As soon as I opened this and I saw this, I love it, because charcoal bamboo is my favorite. Is Harry Potter, you guys. So let's open this up. It's the same thing, Heavy Wetter 2.0. Now, this is so cute, you guys. Look at the prints. My sister is a big fan of Harry Potter, you guys, so that's why I got it. I thought it matters, you know, it's just a diaper, but yeah. The same thing, you guys. Look at this. Oh, they're so soft. I feel like this, oh my god, I can't wait for him to use this. Cannot wait for him to try this out. Look how cute, you guys. You guys could find Squishy Tushy online on Facebook. They do have a group, which I'm in. And that's where basically, like, you know, most of the communication is, you guys. Even if you order, you could ask questions about your order there. Everybody's so friendly, you know. So yeah, and they do have other things in there, guys. Now, I do want to put a disclaimer. I don't want nobody to think like, oh, she's talking about, no, you guys. I paid freaking with my money these diapers, you guys. Besides the fact that they were pricey and the shipping was crazy. Now that's one thing that I do want to mention. I mean, you know, I'm not, you guys, the shipping was like $14, almost $20. There's no free shipping, and I paid like one something. So yeah, the shipping for me was a little bit expensive, but you know, we gotta support small business, you guys. So, and plus he needs this, so can't complain. So yeah, so this is how the other one looks like. It's like little cactuses and all this stuff. Same thing. That's the other one. So we're already at 3 diapers. That's how it looks like. Look how cute, you guys. Oh, que la. Oh my god, look at this, you guys. That's so cute. Yes, these are gonna go directly to the washer. Is this Hocus Pocus one, you guys. Oh, you guys grew up watching this movie. It's my favorite Halloween movie to watch, you guys. And I still watch it, even though it's not Halloween. But yeah, so it has the Sanderson sisters up here. And then it has a muck. I swear to God, I thought this was glitter. But yeah, that's how this one looks like, you guys. We had limited, you guys. Limited diapers already. So yeah, I guess this is a popular seller for them. They're Heavy Wear 2.0. This is cute. Look at this. This is so cute. Yeah, he grabbed a hold. Now the last one that I have is my favorite, Finding Nemo, you guys. This is so freaking cute. $13 for this. Honestly, I'll tell you guys my final thoughts at the end. But yeah, bless you. That's how these look like, you guys. So okay, guys, so I am gonna be linking down below their store so you guys could check it out. If you guys are on Facebook, you guys could actually go on their group, which is called Squishy Tushie group. I'm not really sure, you guys, but it's a Facebook group. And I believe the owner's actually on there as well. So if you guys have any questions, you guys could message them. But I am going to be trying these out. And hopefully, you guys, hopefully the result is good. I mean, if a lot of people have been saying that these are really, really good for overnight. Oh my God, they're going to change my life. And if he's able to use this the whole night without me having to change him. So yeah, guys. My final thoughts, you guys, for the price, I will have to say it's good. For how much charcoal bamboo is in there, and let alone, you guys, the prints, because if you guys go to any website, you're going to be paying a lot more extra from a diaper that has print than a solid diaper. Like for Alba Baby, you guys, a solid diaper will cost you like $4. If you guys want to get a print, it will cost you $6, so a little bit more. So I feel like this is such a good price, you guys, because it doesn't matter if it has prints or not. It's like the same price, you guys. And like I said, the amount of charcoal that they use in there, I believe, makes a big difference. It actually makes the diaper a lot more great quality, you guys. So I'm excited to try out. So I'm going to be trying them out. And then I will be doing a second video updating you guys on how these have been working, alright? Other than that, you guys, I will talk to you guys later. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. And I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye!